How to fix Instagram messages not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages not loading on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then click apps and apps again and go to Instagram, and now just go to permissions, just allow this one, maybe we'll find it like that. Click on it and click allow and go back. Now click force stop here and then go to storage and clear cache, and now just go back, and then you can clear your phone cache if you want, and then go check if your phone is updated, and then just restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.